Tonight, a Muskegon mother says she is determined to keep her son's name alive after losing him to a fentanyl overdose. She says a decision he made before he died will help all of us learn more about our bodies. 13 on Your Side's Lauren Baker has their story.
Sitting in her home with a smile on her face,
the joy of having a son is amazing because that's a gift from God.
Priscilla Agnew-Hines beams, talking about her son, Larry.
When I used to leave to go to work, he used to chase me from the back door to the front door, like, Mom, don't go, you know.
The only son of her 3 kids, Agnew-Hines says she and her daughters had a special bond with him.
My oldest, she spoiled him, okay. And then my baby daughter, she spoiled him as well because he's right here in the middle, right?
A bond she says that could never be broken, even when tragedy strikes.
I was going to give him CPR, but he was already gone.
Nearly 5 years ago, she says her son died from fentanyl.
At that moment, you know, I just pray, and I know who he was. You know, I know that his spirit is and was amazing.
But in that time of sorrow, she says her son left a mark on this earth that would eventually lead to major changes. Her son decided to become an organ donor before he died, and now his brain is a part of the nation's first African ancestry neuroscience research initiative.
The study involves the gene and the genomics of what is actually going on in our bodies, in our minds, to get better answers of how to treat us.
It will look at the root causes of things like dementia, Alzheimer's, even diabetes. To continue that impact, her organization, Healthy to Connections, is hosting an event in Muskegon to further the conversation not only about brain health, but also the outside effect of addiction, mental health, and other factors can have on the organ. Because as she says,
I'm here to break the stigma.
It's time to stand up for the health of our brains, for ourselves, our community, and our loved ones.
He's saying, Mom, you are doing what I knew you would do. He's very proud.
Now, Lauren, when is that event happening?
It's happening March 26th at the Froenthal Center. You can find details on 13onyourside.com, Juliet.
Thank you, Lauren.